And let's begin with breaking news that's coming in on the DGMO level. Talks between India and Pakistan. The Director Generals of Military Ops of India and Pakistan have spoken. This is the first round of talks that have been held by a hotline since the ceasefire and also since the violation of the ceasefire by Pakistan on May 10th. Now, these talks were scheduled to take place on May 12th and as expected, the talks have happened between the DGMOs of India and Pakistan. Let's take this across to Aishwarya Paliwal for more details. Aishwarya, what are your sources telling you? What really was discussed in this meeting?
Well, Akshita, one thing is very, very clear that the first call was actually made from Pakistan, and all the indications are telling us very clearly that it was India that had hit the targets, told the world what it was doing, specifically the United States of America, and then the first phone call the last time came in from Pakistan. What needs to be done next? And the first question that is now being asked by India to Pakistan is that there was indeed a violation of the ceasefire done by Pakistan. In as clear words as possible, India has now told Pakistan that the doctrine has changed. You need to understand that next time there is a terror attack on India, it will be taken as an act of war. So the little news that is now trickling in is with regards to the stern warning that India has now given with regards to this telephonic conversation that has taken place. We'll get more details, Akshita, as the time will pass. We'll get a little more details because the talks got over just a couple of minutes back. But a stern warning has been given from India, very categorically told Pakistan that our doctrine has changed. We will now not spare anyone who tries to do any kind of terror act here in our nation. So that's a clear message, Akshita, which has been given to Pakistan.
I'm sure the issue of Pakistan violating the ceasefire also has been brought up by the Indian side, but we will track the latest that comes in and hopefully there'll be some sort of communication on exactly what was spoken of, what was raised in this meeting between the two DGMOs.